Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you a homemade Gotu Kola or Centella Asiatica face cream. This is also known as cica cream. These creams are widely used in skincare treatments and this is very costly if you buy it outside, but you making it in the house will work wonders for you. If you are suffering from oily skin and sensitive skin, this is the cream for you. Beauty companies include this ingredient, that is the Gotu Kola or Centella Asiatica, into their CC creams, serums and face masks. And if you see the ingredient list, you will find Centella Asiatica extract as a main ingredient. So these cica products can be used after your chemical peel or retinol treatments, and this is good for very sensitive skin. So if you're wondering what is Centella Asiatica, then this is the botanical name of Gotu Kola, which is a perennial herb grown mostly in Asian countries. People have used this Gotu Kola for treating health problems, but of late it is used in skincare industry because of its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can treat acne prone skin, it can treat sensitive skin and also can boost collagen production. When consumed orally, it can relieve diarrhea, boost energy levels and reduce anxiety. So this plant grows mainly in wet and marshy areas. You can grow this easily at home if you maintain that condition. You can grow it in pot also. This is a single leaf, single stalk plant. That means that each stalk has a single leaf. The leaves are quite thick and this is very good for your health also. So if you grow this, it will be very useful to you. So I've just picked 5 to 6 leaves of this and to make this cream. So let's make the cream. To make this cream, I have picked 5 to 6 leaves of the Gotu Kola plant. After washing it, I'm going to dry it. I'm going to just tap it and the leaves are ready to be used. So to use it, first I need to crush these leaves. For that, I'm taking a mortar pestle where I'll drop all these leaves and crush it into not fine paste, but just until I release the juices of the leaves. So here it is done and you can see that the leaves have been crushed well. To make this Centella Asiatica or cica cream, I am going to take oils. I will be using coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice like almond oil, olive oil or any facial oil. For my skin, I am taking coconut oil, and this is orange oil, homemade orange oil, which can brighten your skin. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties too. The method is simple. You need to first heat the oil in a double boiler method. For that, I have taken a pan where water is heating. I have placed a plate and I'm going to keep this oil bowl and add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of orange oil and drop the crushed Gotu Kola leaves where I can extract the properties of the Gotu Kola into the oil. This takes at least 5 to 10 minutes in low flame. You should heat the oil until the leaves turn crisp. You should not burn the leaves, otherwise you will have to repeat the process. Burning the leaves will not help to make this cream properly. So here after 10 minutes the oil is ready. I am going to strain the oil using a strainer. So you can use a cloth also to strain the oil. So the oil is ready. The Gotu Kola oil is ready. This oil can also be used on your hair. So I have got 2 tablespoons of the oil, which is too much to make the cream. I'm just taking half a teaspoon of this oil. The next ingredient would be Aloe Vera Gel. Since it is summer, then this is the best gel which you can use. It has cooling properties, it has anti-inflammatory properties, it can moisturize your skin, get rid of acne and pimple, it will fight skin aging. It has a lot of benefits. You can use any brand Aloe Vera Gel. I am using this. The next is rose water. Rose water again maintains the pH balance of your skin. It can help to reduce excess oil production. It has anti-inflammatory properties and it can reduce the redness of your skin. It is a great cleanser and aids in removing oil and dirt on your skin. So the next is vitamin E oil. This will help the cream to stay good for a longer period. I'm using oil in the bottle. You can use a capsule form also. The next would be glycerin, which is the humectant which can draw moisture from the air to your skin. This also has great properties to heal your skin. It is safe and gentle. It can moisturize your skin and protect your skin, and it will keep your skin youthful and healthy. So the method is, you need to just take half a teaspoon of this oil and add all the other ingredients one by one. Here I am adding aloe vera gel 2 tablespoons. Then I'll be adding rose water 1 teaspoon. And I'll be adding few drops of vitamin E oil. You can use 1 capsule if you are using a capsule. Then I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of glycerin. So once all these ingredients are added, you can mix this thoroughly. Mixing will help the ingredients to come together and make a beautiful creamy and fluffy cream. So this cica and Gotu Kola cream is ready, almost ready. It takes at least 2 to 3 minutes of continuous mixing to make this wonderful cream. Once you mix it thoroughly, you can see that the cream is fluffier and your cream is ready. You can apply this on your face directly, and you can apply this daily, morning or night, and this cream will help to reduce all skin problems. The excess oil can be used on your hair, or you can keep it for the further use. So here I'm going to transfer it in a small bowl or a small bottle where it can be stored at room temperature for more than 1 month to use it. You make always in small quantities so that you know how the cream works, and if you're happy you can make it more. Here I'm just taking a drop of it and I'll apply on my skin, and you can see that the skin can glow and it will absorb into the skin. So this cream is good for all skin types. If you are suffering from oily and acne prone skin, then make this cream and see how it works for you. And if you want more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please share, like, and if you want to know anything, please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.